Beach view video talking crypto, so let's do it. I found a quiet place. Look at the views, guys. This is just beautiful. Let's talk some crypto. First thing I wanted to comment is I've noticed recently the charts for Google Trends, and I see there's a spike in interest from people searching for the word Bitcoin on Google. So I went ahead and I compared these charts with the first time there was a significant rise in interest after the previous cycle in 2014-15. And I've noticed the first significant spike in interest in Google searches was in November 2015. So I went ahead and I looked at the price charts at that date. And in November 15, we were already out of the consolidation phase. We had been uptrending for some time already, and I find it very, very similar with the situation today, because we had 3 months of flat period at the bottom, then we had 1 more month consolidation at 5,000, but overall we've been uptrending for 5 months, and only now there's a rise in interest on Google searches. So we could very well be already full on bull market, not parabolic, but already bull market, 5 months bull market already. So I found that interesting. I also check now and then the trading volume for Bitcoin on local Bitcoins, which is like an over-the-counter trading place. It's not like a public market like other exchanges. It's more like really peer-to-peer over-the-counter. So since the bubble popped at the end of 2017, the trading volume for BTC has gone down dramatically, like the price, in countries like the US or Australia or many countries in Europe. But it continued to increase exponentially in countries where there's fiat currency problems, or they have very little economic freedom. For example, most countries in South America, Argentina, Venezuela, Colombia, many places in South America and other countries with little economic freedom. It's incredible how the trading volume it never went down when the bubble burst in the end of 2017, the 15th of December, which was exactly the bottom for cryptos. And from that day, the thing went up exponentially, like bubble mode. The trading volumes in these countries have spiked, and right now they are exponentially much higher than they were at the peak of the bubble in 2017. So this indicates that there's a lot of demand. The demand continues to increase, and it's completely understandable. I'm thinking maybe this is actually what's causing the run that we are seeing in crypto. Maybe this is what's driving it. I don't know why people don't pay that much attention to these things, because for me this is it could very well be the fundamental reason for this pump. And so like I said, unfortunately I cannot see trading volume for other cryptos, but I would imagine these countries are actually will be more interested in trading crypto or using other cryptos where the fees are lower, the network fees, because obviously in these countries no one can afford to pay $10 or $20 for a BTC transaction. For a crypto transaction is just crazy. So I would imagine other cryptos like Bitcoin Cash, probably the first one, maybe Dash, even Litecoin. I would imagine these cryptos with cheaper mining fees would be even in bigger demand than BTC for the use case that they need them for, and the whole reason there's demand for. So something to have into account. Another thing, I'm ending this promo that I have been running 3 months for the price of one. I'm ending this promo this week. So I will be ending it on Sunday. Actually, when it's here Monday morning, when I wake up Monday in the morning, I'm gonna disable this promotion. So if you want to take advantage, do it now. I'm not interested in having such cheap prices anymore. It attracted, maybe I shouldn't have done it. It attracted some cheap people that I'm not interested in having. Most of the people are nice, like 90% of the people. I'm very happy, but it did attract this 5 or 10% of people which I'm not really interested to have in my groups. Guys, charging for your services, it's not only, about making money, it's also about filtering people. And definitely, I don't want to continue to charge such cheap prices. Now, I have been saying for the longest time, since we were in the middle of the bear market in 2018, I have been telling my members that when I believed to be at the bottom, I was saying when I think we are at the bottom accumulation, I would expect the prices, I would expect the volatility to go down a lot. So if there's no movement, if the price just goes flat and there's no volatility, I'm going to lower the prices of my membership because I'm not going to be active here. I'm not going to be, sharing any entries or exits simply because there's no volatility and, I don't control the markets. So if there's no volatility, I'm not going to be updating, saying, I'm not going to be saying every day the same thing. Markets are going flat, markets are going flat, markets are going flat. No, I'm not going to be charging people for this. So I will lower the prices or even give you guys free membership until we are out of accumulation. And I did that actually the 13th of February 2019. I extended all my members 1 month for free because there was no volatility and I expected the markets to be very, very little volatility. So I extended everybody for 1 month for free in February. That's passed now. We were consolidating for 3 months at the bottom. Then we had the first breakout and then we consolidated for another month at 5,000. I think we're out of consolidation accumulation, so that's it. No more cheap prices. I will most likely actually be raising the prices pretty soon after we... Okay, so I expect to consolidate for a little longer at around 7,000. Between 7 and 8 or something like that, or maybe between 6 and 7. I'm just going to call it 7. I expect to consolidate at around 7,000 for a little bit longer. And once we are out of that consolidation area, I'll most likely raise prices because I think we're going to be already full on bull market. I could be wrong, of course, but I'll take it day by day. But that's the plan so far. I think that's about it, guys. I don't want to make this video super long. So yeah, there you go, your beach views here. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.